This video explains what an IP address is. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a unique number assigned to every device on a network. Think of it as a digital name tag that lets devices find and talk to each other. Whether you're using a computer, a smartphone, or a tablet, your device needs an IP address to send and receive information on the internet. An IPv4 address uses 4 groups of numbers separated by dots. Each group can be any number from 0 to 255. For example, an address might look like 192.168.0.1. These numbers work together to point data toward the right place. When you visit a website, your device sends a request that includes its own IP address, so the website knows where to send the page data back. Routers play a key role in directing traffic on a network. They read the IP addresses on data packets, small units of information, and forward them along the correct path. If you have a home Wi-Fi network, your router gives each device a private IP address. Common private ranges start with 192.168 or 10.0. The router itself also has a public IP address that the rest of the internet sees. An IP address consists of 2 parts: the network portion and the host portion. The network portion shows which network the device belongs to, while the host portion identifies the specific device on that network. It's just like a home address. The street name is the network, and the house number is the host. Postal mail uses this system, and so does data on the internet. The original IPv4 system used 32 bits to create addresses. With 32 bits, there are exactly 4,294,967,296 possible addresses. As more devices connect to the internet, this number started to run out. That is why engineers developed IPv6, which uses 128 bits and offers a vastly larger pool of unique addresses. Here's an easy example to help you understand IP addresses better. Imagine sending a letter in a city. You write the street name and house number on the envelope. The post office reads this and delivers the letter to the right house. On the internet, data packets carry IP addresses instead of street names, and routers act like post offices, guiding the packets to the correct device. There are exactly 4,294,967,296 unique IPv4 addresses in total, which led to the creation of IPv6 to support the rapid growth of internet-connected devices.
Simply click the link below to learn more.